there was going to be this Rock and Play in the Blue salvia at the center with 6 other centerpieces. There is a part of me that wants to skip this.
That was the centerpiece, and then the other ones were the mid-tier.
Okay, all right, that makes sense.
But we chose that Rock and Play in the Blues as the centerpiece because we have more
Underneath. Okay,
down
yes.
underneath.
There was a whole plan.
It ties together.
And then in between each tine is going to be a repeating pattern of Carolee Petite Pink Gara, which is a bit shorter than the Stratosphere we used last year, and Meteor Shower Verbena, which is a must-have in our garden.
And we have Verbena bonariensis reseeding itself throughout the garden, so this is another way of tying things together.
And also, I don't know if you noticed, but the verbena has finally reseeded itself over here into this bed. We've never planted it over here, but there's some under your feet. Okay, so that's the centerpiece here, the Meteor Shower and the Carolee Pink, Petite Pink. And then they are bunched very tight together, and that is on purpose. Can we switch these two,
just so it's every other?
Oh, oversight. And these are all existing plants. We're going to be using a couple new selections that come out next year. And the reason is their colors are so good. Actually, wait a second. All 4 of these are new next year. I didn't even realize that. We're going to be going in with this Sea Spray Felicia Amyloides, which has this kind of pale blue with yellow center. This is really cute. And honestly, this is not something that I normally would have gone for, but it's called Superbells Double Mardi Gras, and we love a Superbells, but it has this really interesting color splash on it.
I really like this one.
Thought that was very cool. Then we're going to be rotating in, yes, there's this many plants. This comes out next year, Aromance Plum Honey Nemesia. Again, I saw this and I did not think, oh, that's gonna be my team, and then I smelled it.
These are a little dry, just so everybody knows. They're a little...
Yeah, we haven't done the watering yet this morning because we knew we were coming out. And then this is potentially going to be my favorite Proven Winners annual of all time.
Really?
I'm just putting that out there right now. This is Superbells Double Midnight Magenta.
That is a pretty color.
At that color. It's like little semi-double roses. I'm obsessed with it, and it has to start the pattern right here on the edge. And the idea is that there's going to be a solid flower and a variegated flower. Then we'll put the Felicia for the solid. Then we will put the variegated flower there.
I love that. Is that the entire pattern there?
That is the entire pattern. It will now repeat all the way around twice.
Awesome. All right, well, let's get the ones in the middle, and then we can plant around the edge.
We'll plant around the edge. Okay.
I think it's going to be gorgeous.
It's so good.